angles to get in there, and that's one of the things the camera will do as well.
The rocks that we have been driving around on for 21 months at Victoria Crater are layered like a stack of pancakes. And for those 21 months, we have been driving along the top of that stack, effectively seeing more or less the same rocks over and over and over again. But now, with this enormous hole in the ground in front of us, we have the capability to see what lies beneath, to see down into the subsurface of Mars, to look at a thicker stack of rocks than we're ever going to see anywhere else, and from that see a bigger slice of Martian geologic time. You see us panning across the slope at Duck Bay. Now you're going to see the first of one of the big promontories that Alfred mentioned. This is one that we've named Cape Verde. And actually the rover is poised at the top of that cliff on Cape Verde as we speak right now. There's a huge sand dune. You can see that also in the high-rise image in the bottom of the crater. You can see all those alcoves, promontories across the other side. Here's the other big promontory that we've seen so far. This one we've named Cabo Frio.
We have obtained just in this last week some of the most spectacular views of an alien world that human beings have ever seen. They are beautiful, they are dramatic, they are evocative, they are stunning. I am literally running out of superlatives to describe the scenery that we're seeing. That stack of beautifully layered rocks is approximately 50 feet high. To give you a sense...
As far as the question of water, what we know so far about the rocks at Meridiani Planum, where we've been operating, is that they show pervasive evidence for having been soaked in liquid water beneath the ground, and evidence for occasional rising of water to the surface and flowing across the ground, though for the most part it was a very dry and arid place. As for what we will learn inside this crater, I think it's too early to speculate.
All of the bays and alcoves here, and that's related to perhaps the original shape of the crater, but accentuated by erosion and wind erosion. Right there you see a strange linear feature that's like a dike. We don't really know what it is yet. Maybe Mur will tell us that.